In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we bring you the story of a Jamaican who is making headlines in the United States. He is the youngest delivery service entrepreneur to partner with online shopping company Amazon. Here is Kian Morgan.
Decades ago, you could not walk into a corporate space in a boardroom and be a command and authority with hair like I have and beads on the ends of your hair. All that matters is what's in here, and that's my intelligence.
It's what fuels a 28-year-old Courier Gordon's zeal to be her own boss. Courier is the CEO of Courier, a delivery service partner with online shopping company Amazon based in New York. Born and raised in St. Catherine, Jamaica, Courier says from a tender age, she was allowed to explore her ideas.
There was never pressure to do anything. And I think a lot of that came from how they were raised as individuals, but also the trust that we had built between my parents and me because I was doing all the right things anyway.
However, while interning after completing her accounting degree, Courier realized that was not her passion.
I started looking in customer service and I was really open to anything.
After Courier migrated with her family to America, she worked in managerial positions at Nordstrom and Tesla. But what Courier really wanted was to be at the helm of her own company.
Entrepreneurship has always felt familiar to me. My parents own a number of enterprises and I've seen them involved in business creation all of my life. So although it wasn't at the forefront of my mind, it was always present in my life. So it did not feel unusual.
She wasn't sure what she wanted, but she knew it had to be in customer service.
I went online, Googled opportunities in logistics and just entrepreneurship ideas. And I saw a banner that was advertising the Amazon Delivery Service Partner Program. And they just wanted someone who wanted to be hands-on, had a lot of grit and determination. And prior logistics experience wasn't a must, but I have that. So I thought, this is perfect. I applied, and within a few weeks, I was invited to do a virtual interview.
And after training, Courier successfully launched her company in February 2020 with 15 employees. To date, her staff has increased to 57.
I'm so invested in them that it feels natural. Our interactions are so organic and fun.
And of the over 1,300 delivery service partners in the program, Courier is the youngest.
I've never felt this pressure to be excellent, even though that was always my personal goal. But it feels absolutely incredible to be able to say that, and my parents are still alive to witness that.
She's encouraging other young Black aspiring entrepreneurs to dream big.
I thought I knew exactly what I was going to be doing for the rest of my life. And let me tell you, I was misinformed. And I'm happy that I was, because I would have been living a life that was unfulfilling if I wasn't flexible. Don't be so set in what you think your path, your vision is, so that you miss out on opportunities for you to do greater things.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.